condom thing with Bill?
You're talking to me?
Yeah.
Oh no. You wanna tell me about it?
No, I'm gonna be recording.
Come on, tell me.
Oh, I haven't built
No,
these
tell
out.
me. Come on.
Well, I was at my house, and Bill stayed over, like, my brother came at a party, and, like, when I wake, I'm in my mom's room asleep, and then I wake up, and I go to my room, I freaking found the condom. And Bill's like, oh, I didn't use it, I'm a virgin.
Oh my god.
I was like, whatever.
Yeah, right.
He was like, I didn't use it, sick, I did not believe you, I am a virgin. We were at the playground that day.
Your face! What do you have to say about that?
Can you stop?
No?
Bitch. Hey, I don't have no shit on my face.
It's okay.
No.
As long as I'm not in the video, I'm good.
You're not